Hello, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, Ezoic's Universal Player. This new feature is a game changer for website owners and bloggers like you and me. So, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about what Universal Player is. It's a one-click feature from Ezoic that allows you to earn from video ads regardless of whether you have your own video content. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. The Universal Player uses Ezoic's technology to intelligently place engaging videos on your website. And the best part, these videos come with ads, which means more revenue for you. In fact, one in-stream video view is equivalent to 4 to 5 display ad views. Now, you might be wondering how this works. So here is a breakthrough of the Universal Video Player. On the top left, you will have in-stream video ads. On the top right, number 2, you will have a scrollable playlist to navigate through various video content. And here in the third box, you will have the large bottom video that will also scroll with the users as you scroll down the page on desktop and on mobile. So let's have an example. For example, here I have this video playing. This video, I will just remove the sound. You have this video playing, and if you scroll down, you will see that the video is actually following the users as you scroll down the site. So, meaning more possibilities for you to earn from ads. As you can see now, a video ad is being played on this video player. Very, very simple. But you might be wondering, how do I set this up? It's very simple. Let me walk you through the steps. So, first of all, go on your Ezoic dashboard. If you don't have Ezoic yet, you can register on the, you can submit your site on the link that is in the description of this video. It's free of charge. You can check if your website is eligible for Ezoic. Then, once you have Ezoic set up on your site, I have separate videos that explain how to set it up properly once it is done. All you have to do is go on your Ezoic Ads tab, and here navigate to Ad Types tab. And here you have the Universal Floating Video Player. All you have to do to enable this here Universal Video Player that automatically displays on your website pages and shows video ads and videos is to toggle this button to on. You can choose in-stream and outstream or only outstream. So outstream video ads appear on page load, while the in-stream video player dynamically positions itself to captivate users, maximizing video ad revenue. The player will be inserted in optimal location on your page to maximize revenue. So if you want more details, more info, you can of course check their description. But all you have to do to activate this universal floating player is to click the on button, and that's all. Now, if you have existing content, video content on your site, you can also toggle the universal player in your Homix monetization tab. So to do that, go back to your Ezoic dashboard, click on Homix here. And once you are in Homix, go to Site here. So you have two different options. First of all, you can go up here to Monetization tab and activate the universal video floating video player here to maximize revenue with an advanced in-content player and floating video ad solution. You can expand description, and you can even eventually select what you want to do. So, but all you have to do to activate to include your own videos in Ezoic Universal Video Player is to toggle the on button here. Then you can also if you don't have your own videos, no problem. You can still display videos from the Homix network and earn from those video ads by going to video content settings and here choosing the sources that Homix can play videos from and changing from my videos only to either third-party videos from Umix network only if you don't have videos or don't want your videos to be used in this network, or use both your videos and third-party network video. Very simple. All you have to do is click the button and the option will be automatically updated. That's all you have to do. And if you, for those who prefer just video ads, there's the sticky video ad option that stays anchored on the screen as users scroll. It's all about flexibility and maximizing your earnings. The universal player is more than just a tool. It's your gateway to higher revenue and better user engagement. So if you go then on Humix overview, you will see the videos revenue. So by simply, as you can see, I toggled on the universal video player here in November, and since November the revenue has actually more than doubled, nearly tripled from the time before using universal video player. So I highly recommend, of course, to using this universal video player to increase your revenue simply with the push of a button by displaying this universal video player on your pages with three different sections: one section with the playlist, one section with the video with ads, and one section with the large video, and the video being displayed as the user scroll on the site. And if we wait for a few seconds, we will probably see a video ad being displayed in this sticky video placeholder. So very, very simple. And of course, if you have your own videos on your Humix video channel, your own videos might be used. And if you don't have your own videos, it's not an issue, because in Humix, you can go to options here and let the system use all videos from Humix network, meaning videos created by other content creators that are being shared on the Humix network. I also have dedicated content and walkthroughs about how to use Humix. So if you are not yet familiar with Humix, Humix Video Network, I encourage you to check them. In any case, if you want to use this amazing universal video player, all you have to do is toggle a button. And if you don't have yet Ezoic on your site, you can use the link in description to submit your site and try it, of course, for free without any engagement on your website. So good luck monetizing your website with videos, and all the best in increasing your earnings.